NBC 7 News at 11 starts now.
Good evening. Thanks for being with us. I'm Catherine Garcia.
I'm Mark Mullen. Welcome. We're going to begin tonight with the ongoing impact of those two water main breaks in the downtown area. Just a short time ago, the city confirmed to NBC 7 the break at 11th Avenue and A Street has been repaired and water service has been restored. As for the second break, this is the one near Balboa Park off the 163. Crews do not have an estimate of when that repair may be done. No customers, though, at least lost water service because of this one. But some families in the area are now under boil water orders. And while both water mains are decades old, neither was scheduled to be replaced anytime soon. Mayor Gloria saying today these breaks highlight the need to modernize infrastructure.
We want to replace our aging infrastructure before it gets to situations like this. The city has roughly 6,000 miles of pipe, 3,000 miles of water, 3,000 miles of wastewater. Obviously, an extensive system like this has a lot of potential for these kinds of things to happen. It is incredibly regrettable this is happening.
Well, tonight crews reopened parts of the 5 North that were underwater. This is some video of the first cars going through. As for the morning commute, Caltrans will determine when other impacted lanes will reopen and says drivers should be ready to take alternative routes.
And while the city talks about modernization and has plans in the works to repair pipes, some do say it's not happening quickly enough.
NBC 7's Omari Fleming spoke with an attorney who sued the city multiple times because of similar problems. He joins us now from downtown with more on what he had to say. Omari?
Well, Catherine, as you can see right here behind me, the street's dry right now, but the attorney I spoke to said it is really frustrating to see homes, businesses, streets just flooded over and over and over again because of these broken water mains. That's why he says it is crucial that the city expedite its water main replacement program.
Double trouble in downtown San Diego. This waterfall cascading off the 163 freeway at 4th Avenue was one of 2 water main breaks within hours of each other Sunday. SIG alerts triggered 4 hours.
It's somewhat of a pervasive problem because we keep seeing it. It's been affecting businesses, it's been affecting homeowners.
Attorney Evan Walker has taken the city to task for multiple water mains in the past, recently settling a suit filed when a 30-inch cast iron main broke in North Park, flooding streets and homes back in 2018.
Unfortunately, what we're seeing from these lawsuits is the city of San Diego apparently takes a wait until it breaks policy to a lot of its water main breaks. And unfortunately for a lot of my clients and people that are affected, the break happens and then the city decides to step in and say, oh my gosh, we need to fix it.
Though the pipes that ruptured Sunday were a 62-year-old concrete pipe and 76-year-old cast iron pipe, they weren't scheduled to be replaced as part of the city's ongoing capital improvement plan to replace all cast iron pipes with PVC. The lack of quick repairs leading to broken pipes that hurt profits for businesses like this Shell gas station whose lot was flooded.
It gets down into the gas pumps and it shuts everything off, so we had no choice but to shut the whole station down.
That impact to businesses and people is why Attorney Walker says replacement plans need to be expedited.
The city needs to take a more proactive and effective approach to replacing this aging infrastructure. And I know that there's a lot of pipes in the ground, but there are a lot of old pipes that need to be replaced, and we see evidence of that here tonight.
And city officials say they're still investigating what broke these water mains. Reporting live downtown, Omari Fleming, NBC 7.
Okay, Omari, thanks very much. And obviously, a lot of mayors, including Todd Gloria, are waiting to see how much of this massive infrastructure law recently passed in Congress could make its way here to San Diego.